Hi students, I wish everyone a good day. Today we are going to study the second chapter, polynomials. Before that, let us recall algebraic expression. You know variables and constants. Variables. A symbol which can be assigned a different numerical value is called variable. Variables are denoted by X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, etc. That is, small letters are used to denote variables. Then constants. A symbol have fixed value is called a constant. For example, 8. What is the value of 8? 8 itself. What is the value of 4? 4 itself. What is the value of pi? 3.14. So, these are called the constants. Then, algebraic expressions. Algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is a combination of constants and variables connected by sum or all the basic operations plus, minus, multiplication, division. Okay, an algebraic expression is a combination of variables and constants connected by the sum or all the basic operations plus, minus, into and division. For example, x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 6. This is an algebraic expression. This is a combination of constants and variables connected by plus and minus. Plus, minus into 3x square means 3 into x square. Okay, this is algebraic expression. Now, terms. Various parts of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus symbol are called terms. Various parts of an algebraic expression. Here, see, this is an algebraic expression. Here the terms are the parts separated by plus or minus symbols. Here the plus and the minus symbol. So, here the terms are x cube is one term, 3x square, 2x, minus 2x and 6 are the terms of this algebraic expression. You studied it earlier. Then come to the point, polynomials. It is an algebraic expression whose variable has whole number as its exponent. Here in this algebraic expression, the terms, here the variable, exponent of this variable is 3, which is a whole number. You know whole numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. are whole numbers. Here, in this algebraic expression, this term, x cube, the exponent of x cube is 3. Here, 3x square, 2, the exponent of 3x square is 2, which is also a whole number. Here, the exponent of minus 2 is 1. X means x raised to 1, which is also a whole number. 6 can be written as 6 into x raised to 0. Any quantity raised to 0 is 1. So, 6 can be written as 6 into x raised to 0. So, this is its exponent is 0. Therefore, this is a polynomial. Consider this example. Here, what are the terms? 4x square minus 3x raised to minus 1 and 7. Here, the exponent of 4x square is 2, which is a whole number. Exponent of minus 3x raised to minus 1 is minus 1, which is not a whole number. So, this is not a polynomial. Okay, clear? Now, degree of a polynomial. There are two cases, polynomial involving in one variable and polynomial involving in more than one variable. First case is polynomial involving in one variable. See here, let us consider the example, x cube plus 3x square plus 5x minus 8. What is the degree of this polynomial? It is the highest power, highest exponent of each term. The highest exponent of a term is called the degree of a polynomial. In this term, x cube, the exponent is 3. In this term, the exponent is 2. Here, the exponent is 1. X means x raised to 1. The exponent is 1. Here, the exponent, 8 can be written as 8 into x raised to 0. So, its exponent is 0. All these are whole numbers. So therefore this is a polynomial. Its highest degree is 3. So degree of this polynomial is 3. So the degree of a polynomial involving in one variable. In this polynomial has only one variable x. So it is obtained, it is the highest exponent of the term. That is the degree of polynomial. Next one, polynomial involving in more than one variable. For example, x raised to 5 plus 3 x cube y raised to 4 plus 5 x raised to 3 plus 10. Consider this example. This term, first term x raised to 5, exponent of x raised to 5 is 5. Here the exponent of x cube is 3 and the exponent of y raised to 4 is 4. So you add these exponents, 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Here the exponent is 3, here the exponent is 0. In this case, the degree of a polynomial is the sum of exponents of the variables. Highest sum of exponent of the variable is the degree of the polynomial. So here the degree is 7. Okay. Consider another example. P raised to 6 plus 8 p raised to 8 q raised to 3 minus 7 pq. What is the degree of this polynomial? Here the degree is 6. Here it is 8 plus 3 is 11. Here it is 2. Highest degree is, highest exponent is 11. So degree of this polynomial is 11. This is the first question of exercise 2.1. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. First one is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Here the exponents here are 2, 1, 0. All these are whole numbers, therefore this is a polynomial. Here y square plus root 2. Here y square, the exponent here is 2, which is a whole number. The exponent here is 0, it's also a whole number, so this is also a polynomial. Here in the third case, the 3 into root t can be written as t raised to half plus t into root 2. Root t is t raised to half. Cube root of t can be written as t raised to 1 by 3. Square root of t means 2. Square root of t equal to t raised to half. 1 by 2 is not a whole number, so this is not a polynomial. Here y plus 2 by y. Y plus 2 by y can be written as 2 into y raised to minus 1. Here the exponent of y is minus 1, which is not a whole number, therefore this is not a polynomial. In this case, x raised to 10 plus the exponent here is 10, here it is 3, here it is 50. All these are whole numbers, therefore this is a polynomial. But here the variables, there are 3 different variables. Therefore this is a polynomial in 3 variables. All other polynomials are first, second are polynomial in 1 variable. Okay, clear? Thus I conclude my class here. Thank you.